Hey guys, welcome back to another Leeko video. I decided that I'm just gonna not even doing the dailies. I'm gonna do other problems as well and just post them because why not? So today we're gonna be doing longest palindromic substring. This was actually on a Python midterm for me like a couple months ago, or no, it was in the final. Yeah, if you're from my class, you probably remember this. And at the time, I honestly didn't care about the efficiency, so I didn't like use the most efficient way to solve it. So I'll show you what I did and then the better way. So I mean, if we look at this right now, we just get all substrings and then we check if any of those substrings is a palindrome, and then we just uh get the longest one out of those, right? So I'm gonna show you an implementation of that. So like let's just make like is P uh string return string equals string, and then we just like flip it, and then oh so we just get all the substring, right? So for I and range, uh yep, and then for j in range, I to length s, and then current is equal to, we just do the splicing. So it's like I to j plus 1 because it doesn't include the last one, and then if len greater than len longest. This is like, it just makes it more efficient if you put this first, because if this is true then it won't do the whole event thing, and so this constant just like slightly, it doesn't really make a big difference. So and is p cur cur equals longest, and then we return longest if longest else s at 0. So this for like this the small ones, like if it's just a single letter. That okay. Then we get rid of this. Where what, line 12, and what is it talking about? Uh, int has no length. What is an int? Is this an int? This shouldn't be an int. Oh, see how slow it is because this is like uh n cubed. What's the problem here? Hold on, let me just add some checking. Let's do some debugging. Okay, this good, this good. This is good. Okay, let's run it. Let's see what the problem is. So output is B, expected BAB. So why is it B? I just do that. Hmm. Oh my god. Damn, it always some small mistakes like that trip me up. Okay, yeah, you see this is like it's good for space because it's just that, but for runtime say nearly 5 seconds, right? That's and let's say if it was like bigger than this, then 5 seconds would be too small, right? I mean too big, right? So now I'm gonna show you guys O event solution, right? So if we look at like for example to find the longest substring here, we could get for example our longest palindromic substring. So it could be we could check around each character, right? So let's say this right here, ABA, right? So we could do all the substring, right? But we can check we can start at B, right? And then say is the one on the left and on the right, is it equal? If it is, then for now that's a substring, and that's a palindromic substring, right? And then we could just do something. I'll show you guys what we do for the if it's even, right? So again, let's go res equals that uh long, just call it top equals 0. And then so first we're just gonna go through this. I'll show you guys the rest. For I in range S, and then I'm gonna make another function to like expand it, right? So expand I, and then uh if it's even, then we have to do the I and I plus 1, right? So now go ahead and def expand left right. Right, so one's gonna be the left side and then one's gonna be the right side. And then we can do that's a while left greater than or equal to 0 and right less than the length of S, so we don't want to go out of bounds, and S oh L R S at L equal S at R. We have to decrement, so L minus equal 1, R plus equal 1, and then we can also check if it's the longest, right? So if right minus left plus 1 for the center is greater than top equals S L plus 1. And we just update the top length too, so top equals len res. That should be good. And then we just go return res. See probably some small errors again. So in range, so we have to do length, yep. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's pretty fast. I'm pretty sure this basically does the same thing, yep. So this is called the Manchester algorithm. And yeah, basically that's about it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and then I might post another video today. Well, I will at night, but maybe more.